One person watching within 6 seconds.
Hey everybody, we'll wait a little bit here. We're just going to chat while we're on our way towards the levee break down there in the Kent Valley near the Home Depot and the IKEA down there in the valley, just to the east of SeaTac. Apparently there's been a levee break and there's a flash flood warning for that area. We were just out riding the ferry back and forth, Edmonds, some nice waves, and saw some cool stuff. Pretty windy out here up north also. And we'll answer some questions and stuff. We'll talk about the storms coming up as well.
Let me see. Let me look at the wind gusts right now.
What was it, 53 at Everett was the peak gust so far?
I believe so. It's 61 degrees in Arlington.
Yeah, it's pretty balmy out there.
52 is the peak in Everett.
Pineapple Express, no doubt. Welcome everybody.
33 miles an hour at your house.
We're going to get on I-5 here in a second. We're going to head down and pick up the drones and whatnot and go down and see this flooding here. It was pretty bad even the last couple of days down in the valley areas. 167 is closed again, for example. And that levee break has been, there's a flash flood warning out for it. So you guys can ride along with us for a little bit. We'll be home in probably a half an hour or so, then we'll head right down. I'm not too far from the levee action. I know those back roads pretty well down there too, so I know how to get up and down. And we'll check it out and see how it goes.
On Highway 104 in Edmonds, you guys are about to get on I-5. It'll take you live through the Highway 99 tunnel. I think that's the route it's taking us on.
Yeah. We saw a pretty big branch break off of a tree just a few minutes ago and come flying across landed right in the middle of the road. Right, 2-inch branch. It was pretty impressive looking.
Pretty nice waves on the ferry too. On the way back, you could feel the ferry like rocking with the swells.
We had to slow down. They slowed down the ferry because we were getting some big waves. It's too bad we don't do the old, slower ferries because there would have been waves breaching on way up onto the ferry that was rocking and rolling pretty good. But the big boats are fast and they're big, so they're able to kind of absorb a lot of that.
And apparently we missed seeing orcas.
Yeah, they passed just to the north of the ferry there.
All right, getting on I-5 in Edmonds, you guys, or Lake Forest Park. I don't know.
Flooding in Seaside.
Oh, yeah.
Oregon coast.
Hey, the lightning expert in the house.
Welcome. Aberdeen, Washington in the house. We're going to carpool it here. We're going to get home fairly quick. And you're just joining. We're going to check out the levee break down there in the Kent Valley.
Got factoring in the speed of the ferry, you guys, I got a 68 mile an hour wind gust on my handheld anemometer. So probably upper 40s, low 50s miles per hour. It was ripping on the ferry.
Somebody's saying they got a lot of power outages going on in Everett.
Oh, that makes sense. Oh, that's lightning expert. Hello from Tri-Cities. Yeah, Tri-Cities, big wind coming up. Everywhere's getting big wind, you guys.
50 mile per hour gust, impressive. Yeah, we got a couple of big storms rolling in here. A lot more precipitation, some dynamic mountain snow weather, blizzard conditions possible. So yeah, very active weather coming up. Sorry about that.
All work offices in Kent and Renton evacuated because of the levee. Yeah, it doesn't look huge right now, but it looks like it could get worse.
And once a levee starts to fail, it just gets worse. There's really no way to repair it when you have floodwaters high up against the levee at the time. You're just kind of, once a levee breaks, it's trouble, like Led Zeppelin said.
And also, you also deal with levee seepage.
We're headed to Kent right now. Yeah, and there's been prolonged flooding, which will be going on through this week, so there's probably going to be there's more potential for this to happen. The longer you soak a levee, the more dangerous it gets. Once it gets saturated and fails, it's over. And even stronger concern versus that is the I-90 corridor is already, you know, some of the roadway was washing out. That would be, I mean, that would be really epic proportions if you start to wash out I-90. That's no quick fix. That would probably take a few weeks to fix. Highway 2 is already out.
Wants us to exit to Green
Really?
Lake and take 99.
Oh yeah, no problem. 2.6 miles.
Yeah, northeast India.
Yeah, the I-90 washout is even more concerning, really, on a longer term basis. Not to discount what's going on in the Kent and Auburn Valley, though. I mean, that's pretty extreme stuff. I-5 south right now. We're headed to Kent, Auburn.
Almost into Seattle right now, you guys. About to pass North Gate.
Now we're flickering on the island. Costco parking lot flooded? Is it flooding over there towards Home Depot and whatnot in the Kent Valley? If you guys get information, feel free to pass it along. Let us know where you are and what you're seeing as well.
Yeah, it's really helpful, you guys, because that helps us know where to set up and get the drones up and stuff like that. But also, once you have a break like that, it just finds the lowest spot. Also, why is this guy doing
What's that?
Why? Oh, next,
Yeah,
we want that exit. I don't know if I'm going to make that.
No, we're not. Well, that guy came over. We were going to. Now this guy's slowing down.
Yeah, we're probably sneak in.
Lightning expert, thanks for the generosity. What is the peak wind gust for? You're probably, no, I wouldn't expect too much lightning today, but you're probably going to be gusting in the lower 50s here, like you are now. I heard it's pretty windy there. Let me know what you guys are seeing.
53 is the peak at Payne Field so far. Then we quote that.
Yeah. Somebody watched a tree blow down earlier.
Wow.
.54 in Everett now. Definitely very strong wind. I think that's it's considered severe gale. 47 to 54, I want to say. 55 to 64 is storm. And what is 60, or is 64 storm? I forget. Or is it severe storm? I forget. Beaufort scale stuff. Somebody look up the Beaufort scale and see what 54 miles per hour is, and see where the cutoff is between severe gale, storm, and hurricane force winds. All after schools have been canceled due to flash flooding. Pretty wild stuff. I can't believe Highway 2 is out until February. That's
Highway 104 over the Hood Canal Bridge is closed as well right now, you guys. There's really big waves up on the side of the bridge, so they've got it closed.
Oh, that would have been cool to see.
Yeah.
It's a little gusty here in Wallingford. We're on the north side of Green Lake. We'll be heading south. Stop by my house, grab the drones, and be on the way.
Oh, we're going left here.
And just a reminder, don't fly drones if the helicopters and planes around.
Yep.
And a good idea when you're flying a drone is to stay below treetops until you absolutely need to go up. And then you make sure you're clear. Because those geo zones on your drone are no longer active. They won't prevent you from taking off and stuff. So you got to really use caution. You will do jail time if you end up crashing into some kind of
Oh, we got white caps on
helicopter or
Green
whatnot.
Lake, you guys.
Yeah, Green Lake's churning up there.
Probably can't really see it through the trees, but there's some white caps there on Green Lake. Here, let me show chat. Oops. Let me show chat the view of the Hood Canal Bridge right now. Look at that.
Nice.
Here, you guys. That's oh, let's see if I can. That's the Hood Canal Bridge, you guys. Can you see it? Here, look at that. That's the Hood Canal Bridge. Big waves, you guys.
So they closed it, huh?
Yeah, because of the pressure. They usually have to open it.
Yeah, you don't want a bunch of extra weight of the cars on it and stuff, probably.
Let's see.
Oh man, Green Lake is rocking and rolling.
Oh, yeah.
You don't see waves that big on Green Lake.
Storm surge.
Green Lake King Tides. Should make a video called that.
Crew just fell in Silver Firs, no power. No damn, but it's very windy on Queen Anne. 39,000 without power in Washington right now. Where are we right now? We're just north of Green Lake, you guys. We're about to turn south onto Aurora and take that all the way back down to Normandy Park.
Then we'll be on the way to
Kent-ish.
yeah, so we're probably at 35 minutes or so
Yep.
before we'll be we're gonna go down and see the levee. We'll bring you with us here.
Might need, if there's not an SD card in the controller for the 3, you might need to put one in because it wasn't saving footage.
Come on, peeps, go. What are you waiting for, dude? Okay, I'm just gonna make the light. Let's go.
All right, Green Lake off to our left here, you guys. You might not be able to see it, but there are some. Oh yeah, there's some. I mean, for a lake, there's some nice waves over there.
Yeah, Green Lake's hard to get pretty rowdy.
Not a breath of wind in Bremerton.
Oh, look at this! Look at this!
Tree. That's a big
Big portion of a tree down here, right on Walling. Well, is this
Aurora.
Wallingford Way? Aurora, right near Green Lake. That dude was cleaning up.
Yeah, that was fresh too. That just happened.
That was kind of nasty.
Maybe we'll see some windstorm damage for you guys.
Oh, that was windstorm damage right
Yeah.
there.
540 people in the chat.
Already.
Wind is blowing hard in Mount Lake Terrace. Pretty windy in Kirkland.
Wonder what it's gusting at my house. I guess we'll find out soon enough.
I can see what Seawalk says, but that's not going to be super accurate. Going to Woodland Park right now, you guys. Should we stop at the zoo? $29 at your house right now.
That's it?
Yeah, it's 28 at SeaTac. Both your house and SeaTac have hit 33.
Oh, right now, so the high is 33.
Yeah. Let's
Pretty gusty here.
yeah, get some
It's
good
pretty
gusts up
windy.
here in Queen Anne or Wallingford. Sorry, almost
See the,
Queen
you
Anne.
can see the flags.
Yep.
and
Oh,
stuff.
garbage can on
Yeah,
Aurora.
oh, that's in the road there.
Another one down there.
You can see the Space Needle peeking over the hilltop there.
See you guys.
Oh, we got debris in the roadway.
There's a cardboard box.
Watch out.
PDS cardboard box intercept.
There's a bunch of stuff being blown in Aurora. You guys see the Space Needle there on the hilltop? Just on the very top of the hill.
Where's the levee breakout at, you guys? It's just to the south of Costco and Home Depot in Tukwila, on near Todd Avenue Boulevard. Sorry, Todd Boulevard. All right, Aurora Bridge, you guys. It's gonna be pretty windy. Get the crosswinds going.
This is not good.
This bridge is so dangerous.
6 lanes crossing a bridge with hardly any barrier.
And wind. What could go wrong? Hey, at least it's not Astoria. Astoria is so bad. Look at this like on ramp too. Like,
This guy's got to like speed up and get right next to me for some reason.
big gusts on the Aurora Bridge, you guys.
We need an anemometer up here.
They do. I don't think they have one at Ship Canal either. Oh, passing UW. Shout out to the UW Atmospheric Science Department.
Can't everybody just go the same speed across the bridge? Why is this guy trying to pass?
It's not a good place to
30
pass.
seconds.
Look how narrow the lanes are. It's
Yeah,
not a
it's
good place
like-
to pass.
This guy's slowing down too much. You can't look at that.
Now, here, predictions for you guys in the chat. Will the stream survive the tunnel?
Yeah, I wonder if they have cell boosters in there.
Why is the chat? Is Long Beach, Washington in good shape? Good question, you guys. Is someone at Lightning Expert said 54 in Everett, 54 miles an hour. Long Beach is going to be pretty windy, probably pushing 60 to 65 miles per hour Tuesday evening into Wednesday morning. There is already a high wind warning in Long Beach, by the way.
Saw that earlier. The goal of the weather person is to make sure everybody says, oh, that wasn't bad. If you're aware and you're on top of things, generally you'll be okay.
Oh, this is it. How'd you like to live here? He's so loud.
Close to some landslides on that hill.
Oh, yeah. I'm surprised we haven't heard about more big landslides, honestly.
Still might be yet to come. Well, if we lose you going through the bridge or the tunnel here, we'll reconnect after we pick up the drones. Let's see if there's cell boosters in here now. Because you know Starlink wouldn't be working in here.
58 in Long Beach, Lightning Expert says.
Nice. Let us know if we lose you here, and then we'll reconnect here eventually.
What, are we supposed to be watching two guys driving in traffic? Pretty much.
Talking about the weather, man.
It's weather commentary. Who wouldn't love some weather commentary? I have service in here, you guys. I think we're good.
Still doing all right. Still alive. 1 mile to go.
We're reconnecting.
Oh, we're losing it. We're losing it. We're back.
Oh, we're going up, you guys.
Not much longer.
Oh, 666 in the chat.
Okay, this guy's an idiot.
Oh, still that guy.
Jesus.
Go to the tunnel. Oh, yeah. Battery Street Tunnel, you guys. Tiny little tunnel. I believe they filled it in.
We're back out of the tunnel here. Looks like we survived. Buster's in there.
Oh, there we go. Welcome to Soto.
That tunnel is a nice way through Seattle, that is for sure.
Oh, there's the ship that we saw when we were on the ferry. That's cool.
Yes, we're going down to check out the flash flood warning right now.
Go through Soto. We'll be back to pick up the drones in 20 minutes. My dad just emailed me and said traffic is terrible in that area. So you guys will get to watch some traffic on the stream.
Yeah. We'll try to pick a best route through the traffic, and we'll stop somewhere and try to drone without getting too in there. Where are you at? Where the wind is insane? Where are you? If you would like to add your location, that would be nice. It depends on who's flying there. I won't fly if there's King County helicopters or anything around up in the air. I will not fly. I'm FAA licensed in both drone and aircraft dispatcher. And yeah, you gotta play by the rules.
Yeah. I just got my FAA drone license as well. Always carry the card around because you never know when you're going to be flying.
Yeah. A little bit of nasty traffic here. Oh, look at, we got cardboard boxes flying off to our left. Yeah, we're gonna head back down there, and if not, we'll try to get some other stuff in the Kent and Auburn Valley and whatnot.
It's like they made the warning area a little bit smaller from the levee break. It's much smaller now. It doesn't include Renton and all that.
Stay south of 405. .28 miles per hour Port Orchard according to your Tempest. Nice. Driving by the old Federal Building here in Seattle, Washington. Yeah, we played that song the other day, When the Levee Breaks, Led Zeppelin. Very appropriate song for all the stuff that's been going on. Oh man, we got a headache. My neck hurts. .55 in Everett, nice. Strong winds. Everybody's singing the Led Zeppelin lyrics. It's probably their favorite song of mine, actually. Stairway to Heaven is way too long.
Hood Canal Bridge closed due to strong winds blowing water onto the bridge deck.
That wasn't too bad there. Now we're crossing the First Avenue Bridge. Let's get across this before they try to open it on us. We have to sit here for half an hour. One thing I noticed about the Duwamish, it's usually never this color. It's like a light brown. It's just filled with sediment. Look at it. It's just like a mud river.
See it a little bit, you guys. You might be able to see it over here a little bit more. Look at that. See it, you guys?
It's just so nasty.
Try to get, if we don't end up filming the levee break, we'll go down to the Green River Valley.
Yeah. Dog is not with us today. I got to do her walk this morning, so I left her at home. Apparently you can bring dogs on ferries though, so I should have brought her.
There's a personal weather station near the Hood Canal Bridge that reported gusts over 60 miles per hour.
Nice.
Which may be why there was some huge waves there. And ongoing, really.
Absolutely.
You can see the planes moving as they come into SeaTac there, battling the winds aloft.
I need to go by. I'm going to swing by and pick up my drone is why we're headed down 509 here. How does your dog apply to broadcasting the weather, loser? People are so jaded.
It's because Lexi's the best, you guys. We love Lexi, the storm chasing dog.
I don't know. Should we broadcast all the way home or restart the live stream?
You can turn it around so it faces us.
Yeah, we could do that.
Last time you broadcast the live stream all the way to your house, the Tesla slid.
I did one after. I did one last summer too.
Oh, you did?
In March when the thunderstorms.
Oh yeah. You doxed yourself.
I don't know. It doesn't seem like I have too many enemies, so I don't know why it would matter. Well, my children are older now too, so I don't know. All right, we'll end the live stream then before we get there. We'll pick it back up after. So I'm gonna end it now. We'll pick up back up after.
See you guys soon.
We'll be back on in probably 15 minutes. So stand by, folks.